How's it going, everyone? I'm Sean and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be building on the last video where I built this entire building, this workshop, and got it ready to move some stuff in. This video we're going to actually be moving some of the first machines in, as well as the chest, my bench here, which you haven't actually seen yet officially, and setting up the hand tool wall, or at least the first iteration of the hand tool wall. It's absolutely worth noting that everything that comes in now and gets set up now, it's probably not going to stay like that. Not in the long term anyway. I can think off the top of my head one or two things that have already changed position. So without further ado, grab yourself a nice hot cup of tea, coffee, whatever you want, get comfortable and enjoy. Right off the bat, I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of past me, and we're going to start at the start, bringing in the chest, getting it all set up. Enjoy. Annoyingly, the pallet cart tore up some of the flooring, so that's going to be fun to sort out later. The planer made it in fairly easily, but unfortunately the bandsaw was just too tall to make it through the doors, so as you see, it got unpacked outside. I'll be doing a more in-depth video about setting up the planer thickness around the bandsaw at a later date, which will cover, well, the assembly of both machines and the setup. So many nails! I got hold of a bunch of these kitchen cabinets, and I reckoned instead of chucking them into the bin, I may as well hold on to them. They may not be the most attractive things in the world, and maybe they won't fit the aesthetic of the workshop, but for the moment they'll work as nice, handy, quick and easy storage. And that is where we'll leave it for this video. Things are in, they are kind of set up for now. At least the place is usable and I can start working on some of the projects that I need to do. I think definitely very high on that list is going to be some kind of a wood store / miter saw station thing. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Thank you so much everyone for watching this far. If you did enjoy it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Helps me out, helps the channel out, helps tell YouTube that, hey, I'm doing a half decent job. Thanks again for watching this far. I hope to see you all again really, really soon on the next one.